Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract the audience or basically friends of someone on Facebook. So let's create a campaign and then I will choose Facebook friends of someone and I'll paste the URL of the friends tab of a Facebook profile. So for this, I'll go on Facebook and find a person who I am already friend with. So for example, this person, I'll go to friends section, and the URL for this campaign should be like facebook.com, the profile ID or profile name, and /friends. So it should end with friends. Now let's go and start the campaign. I'll choose the friend campaign for this video and then choose my burner account. I can also add the keywords in bio, exclude the keywords in bio, location. I'll skip all these for the sake of this video, but you feel free to add your filters. Minimum friends in common is very important. As I said earlier, it helps you send the friend request to someone who have the mutual friends with you. So and then you can also choose either you only want to send the friend request or also want to send the message sequence as you send the friend request, or also when your friend requests are accepted. So I'll keep everything to default and start my campaign. Okay, so now my campaign is created. It takes about 10 minutes to start scanning the friends of someone from the profile, so I request your patience at this point, and it also will start scanning, and then also will keep on sending the friend request together. We'll be back when the campaign starts scanning. Okay, so fast forward, the friends campaign has been started. Okay, back after a pause, and you can see this campaign has started scanning the audience, basically the friends of a Facebook profile. So that's it from this video, and see you next time.